अस्सलाम वालेकुम। Miss Fawzia Khanzai, subject mathematics for class 9 general, chapter number 1, number system, exercise 1.2, question number 2, convert into decimal system. Okay, the first part is 101 base 2. 101 base 2 equal to 1 multiplied by 2. As you know that base 2 is given, so we use 2 plus 0 multiplied by 2. We write left to right side plus 1 multiplied by 2. Correct? 101. 101. First step we write left to right side, then put the power 0, power 1, power 2. We put power right to left side. Power 0 consider 1. 1 multiplied by 1. 2 power 1. It means 2 we have one time. 2 multiplied by 0 plus 2 power 2 square. Square means same number we have 2 same time. So 2 2s are 4 multiplied by 1. Now 1 1s are 1 plus 0 2s are 0 or 2 zeros are 0 plus 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. 101. 101 base 2 is equal to 5 in decimal system. Okay, finish first part. Second part 1110. Unit 10, 100, 1000. 1110 base 2 convert into decimal system. Okay. First step we write left to right side. 1 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 2 plus 0 multiplied by 2. Okay, 1 1 1 0. Unit 10, 100, 1000. Put power 0 1 2 3. Right to left side we put the powers. Power 3 means 2 we have 3 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 multiplied by 1. Power 2 means 2 2s are 4. Plus power 1 means 2 we have one time. 2 1s are 2. 0 multiplied by power 0 consider 1. That's why we write over here 1. 0 1s are 0. 8 1s are 8 plus 4 1s are 4 plus 2 1s are 2 plus 0 1s are 0. Now we add them. 4 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 8, 14. 1 1 1 0 base 2 in decimal system. 14 would be the answer. Okay, 14 would be the answer. Third part 101010. Convert into decimal system. 10 base 2 is equal to 1:2 plus 0:2 plus 1:2 plus 0:2 plus 1:2 plus 0:2. Unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Correct? First part finish. Left to right side. Now we put power right to left side. Power 0, power 1, power 2, power 3, power 4, power 5. Finish first part, first step. Second step, 2 power 5. So 2 multiplied by 5 times. 2 is to 2 is to 2 is to 2 is to 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So 2 power 5 equal to 32 plus 0 multiplied by 2 power 4. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 plus 1 multiplied by 2 power 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay, 2 power 3 means 2, we have 3 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 plus 0 multiplied by 2 power 2. 2 2s are 4 plus 2 power 1. So 1 multiplied by 2 plus 0 multiplied by 1. Power 0 consider 1. So 1 multiplied by 0. Multiply them. 32 ones are 32 ones are 32 plus 0 16s are or 16 zeros are 0 answer plus 8 ones are 8 plus 0 fours are 0 plus 2 ones are 2 plus 0 ones are 0. Clear? Power 0 consider 1. 1 zeros are 0 or 0 ones are 0. Now add them. 8 plus 2 10. 10 plus 32 42. Correct? 42. 1 0 1 0 1 0 base 2 is equal to 42. After add answer 42 base 10 would be the answer of 101010 base 2. Now fourth part 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 base 2. Okay, it's a fourth part. 4 times 1 00 1 base 2. Convert into decimal system. Okay, it's a fourth part of question number 2, exercise 1.2. Apply same method. Clear? Left to right side. 1 is to 2 plus 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 0 is to 2 plus 0 is to 2 plus 1 is to 2. Correct? 1 0 0 1 1 1 1. Unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million. Right to left side. First step. Now we put power right to left side. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct power? Power 0, power 1, power 2, power 3, power 4, power 5, power 6. Power 6 means 2 we have 6 times. Correct? So 2 multiplied by 6 times, 2 is to 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 2. Correct? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64. Correct? 2 multiplied by 6 times, answer 64. So 64 is to 1 plus 2 power 5. So 2 multiplied by 5 times, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. 32 is to 1. Plus sign as it is, copy down. Now we have 2 power 4. So 2 multiplied by 4 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 16 is to 1. Plus sign, copy down. 2 power 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 is to 1. Plus 2 power 2, square means same number multiply by same time. So 2 2s are 4 is to 0 plus 2 power 1. It means 2 we have only one time. So 2 is to 0 plus power 0. Okay, as you know that power 0 consider 1. 1 is to 1. Finish first step, second step. Okay, now we multiply 64 ones are 64 plus 32 ones are 32 plus 16 ones are 16 plus 8 ones are 8 plus 4 zeros are 0 plus 2 zeros are 0 plus 1 ones are 1. Correct? Third step. Now add them. 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 8, then plus 1. 64, 32, 16, 8, 1. Okay, after plus 121 answer. Therefore, in decimal system, 121 base 10. 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 base 2 is equal to, in after add 121 base 10 would be the answer. Okay, now we use 2 equal sign in one step, so we put applying sign. Finish fourth part. 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 base 2. Convert into decimal system. Okay, it's the last part, fifth one. Same method, base. Last part, part 5, 1 1 0 0 0 0 1. Base 2 is given, so we apply same method. Base 2, 1 is to 2 plus 1 is to 2 plus 0 is to 2, 0 is to 2 plus 0 is to 2 plus 0 is to 2 plus 1 is to 2. 1 1 2 3 4 times 0 1 1. Okay, first step finish. Left to right side. Now we put power right to left side. First power 0, second power 1 2 3 4 5 6. Correct power? First power 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Same method already be done 1 till 4 parts. Power 6 means 2 multiplied by 6 times. So 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 to the 64. Correct? 64 is to 1 plus 2 multiplied by 5 times, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. 32 is to 1 plus 2 multiplied by 4 times, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 2 power 4, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. 16 is to 0 plus 2 power 3. So 2 multiplied by 3 times, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 8 is to 0. 2 power 2, 2 to the 4 is to 0 plus 2 power 1, 2 is to 0 plus power 0 consider 1, 1 is to 1. Second step finish. Now multiply 62, 64 1s are 64, 32 1s are 32, 0 multiply by 16 or 16 multiply by 0, answer 0 plus 0 8s are 0 plus 0 4s are 0, 2 zeros are 0 plus 1 1s are 1. 64 plus 32 plus 1. Now add them. 64, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 6 plus 3, 9. 97 base 10. Okay. 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 base 2 is equal to, in decimal system, 97 base 10 would be the answer.